let's have a brief on Canvas. Canvas in Jetpack Compose is like a digital drawing board. It allows you to create custom graphics and designs by specifying what and where to draw using a coordinate system. This is particularly powerful because it allows developers to create unique and highly customized UI elements that are not available as standard components in the Compose library. For instance, while Jetpack Compose provides many built-in UI components like buttons, text fields, and sliders, there might be a scenario where you need a very specific visual representation or interaction that these standard components don't offer. Now let's have some understanding about the coordinate system used in Compose Canvas. It has 0, point in the top left corner of the composable, and the bottom right has the coordinates of width and height. The y value increases as it moves downward and the x value increases as it moves to the right.